Welcome back to SK Hobbies AZ, and on this episode we are doing something completely different than anything I've thrown up on this channel yet. Still an RC, but you're going to want to check this out. So yeah, welcome back. So yes, still an RC, but let's go ahead and look at what we have for the channel. So there it is. So this is Redcat Racing's 1979 Chevy Monte Carlo fully functional lowrider. This actually isn't mine. It's on loan to me just because I'm interested. I want to see what this thing looks like. I want to play with it and see how the servo hydraulics work on it. But anyways, this is our admins for the AZRC Bashers Shelf Queen, and what he got this for is that Denzel Washington had this same looking car in training day and he just loves it, so he got it to kind of put up on the shelf in his house as a kind of like a little display. It's pretty cool. So it's still brand new in the box. He took it out of the box once just to try it out and put it back in the box, and so we're going to go ahead and open this bad boy up. But anyways, Ivan let me borrow this because I was interested in looking at it. Let's look at the box. So we got, it's officially licensed by GM. It's the Monte Carlo, designed in Arizona. Some more of the box on that side. And then here's the other side. It looks like, so it's a 1/10 scale 1979 Chevy Monte Carlo Lowrider. It's got a 6-channel custom remote that comes with it. It's on the 2.4 gigahertz radio system. Comes with the car battery and charger ready to go. The only thing we got to have is 4 AA's for the controller. They do recommend a fast NIMH battery charger for it. We're going to go ahead and charge this battery up using my charger. So we'll see how that works. Let's look at the back. All right, here is the back of the box. You can see the different modes it kind of goes. 4-wheel independent hydraulic action. Now that's run off of 4 servos. This thing has 5 servos in it. So it has 1 for each wheel actuation, and then it also has the steering servo. So it's got beautiful scale detail, adds the realism. So you got the LED ready headlights and taillights, side mirrors, and molded chrome. This is kind of a look at the controller, but we'll go ahead and get the controller out of the box so you can see it. And if you guys want to pause, you can kind of read that right there about the LR260 chassis. But all right, let's go ahead and open this box and see what we got. All right. So like I said, he's got it all put back in the box. So it looks like it comes with some spare parts. Look at that. It's got a Tamiya battery. Now it is running off of those banana plugs for the battery. And we'll get that charged up. It looks like there's some more body posts in there. Here is the charger it comes with. We're not going to use this charger. We're going to put it on my actual LiPo NIMH charger that I have, and we'll get the battery actually charged up right. So if we open this up, there, look at this manual. This thing is huge. So we'll kind of thumb through that a little bit, but it's got everything, talks about how to use it. I think there's different languages, but it talks about the controller and how everything connects up to run the servos. Talks about the different displays and channels, but we're not really going to get too much into that. Let's pull this piece off. And then this is what comes in the box. So here's the controller. It's nice, heavy duty. So it has all the different little actuations up here, which we'll figure that out. Let me go ahead and get this out of the box and I'll be right back. All right, we got it out of the box. So it has this nice, cool, protective cover for it because this thing is awesome. Let's go ahead and pull this cover off. Look at that. Look at that. So you got a nice scale interior in there with a steering wheel. The front. I'll probably do some night footage so we can see the lighting on it. She is pretty. All right, so underneath it is a magnetic front, so it just kind of hinges back. So it's got some good, looks like some aluminum hinging right there that kind of holds that back. And you can see we got 2 servos up front right here. And then this little guy right here is your steering servo. It's a 9G steering servo. And then it's running 4 of the Hexfly 25Gs for the hydraulics. It is a brushed system, so it's got this little brushed motor up here. And then it's got a brushed ESC, which I believe all of this is a hobby wing. The tiny little tires. The shocks. You can see the actuation here of shock travel. You can see how the interior is attached. It doesn't look like he's got the lights kit for this, so I guess we're not going to see anything at night. So maybe it's something we'll have to add later into it. But there's the magnetic plate for the front, and you can see the magnetics right here. And then it just kind of latches down like that. And it's pretty strong. It's a pretty strong magnet. The underbelly, look at that, it's a full bottom. You can see the actuation right there for the servos. So it kind of pushes on right there. So see if I can get my thumb there. So it kind of pushes right there and pushes everything up to actuate it. Same thing on the front. It's got a nice little rubber guard here to protect the front. Let me go ahead and bring you guys back up front. All right, so yes, we're gonna be taking a look at this. This is gonna be just an introductory video, and then we'll probably bring it back after I get the batteries charged and do another video on this thing actuating, and we'll talk about that controller and how the controller works for actuating this. So anyways, if you like this and you like this type of content, don't forget to like and subscribe, bash that bell so you get some more notifications from everything coming from SK Hobbies AZ. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Stitch, SK Hobbies AZ, and I'm out.